TheraPulse AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's worth the hype, I've got all the crucial details you need to know. I'll be covering 7 key points that will help you make an informed decision, so stick around until the end for the most important features that set TheraPulse apart from other AI tools on the market. First off, TheraPulse AI stands out because it was designed with precision for real-time performance analytics. It uses cutting-edge algorithms to track and optimize every aspect of your operations, providing real-time insights that are actionable and easy to understand. Whether you're managing a small business or scaling a larger enterprise, this software can adapt to your needs, making it a game changer for your day-to-day operations. One of the most compelling features is its unique adaptability. TheraPulse AI learns from your data and adjusts its recommendations based on patterns it observes over time. This means it doesn't just give you a static analysis, it evolves with your business. The longer you use it, the more tailored the insights become, which is critical in today's fast-paced digital landscape. This adaptability is what gives TheraPulse its edge over other tools that often provide generic solutions. Now, if you're concerned about usability, I've got good news. TheraPulse was designed with user-friendliness in mind. You don't need a tech background to get the most out of it. The interface is intuitive, with simple drag-and-drop features that allow you to customize dashboards and reports quickly. For anyone who's spent too long fighting with clunky software, this will feel like a breath of fresh air. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or project manager, you'll appreciate how easy it is to navigate. But ease of use doesn't mean TheraPulse cuts corners. The analytics and reporting capabilities are robust. You get deep insights into key metrics like customer behavior, sales trends, and operational efficiency. These aren't just basic reports. They're designed to help you take actionable steps toward growth and improvement, something you don't always get from similar tools in this category. Another great aspect of TheraPulse AI is its integration capabilities. The software easily integrates with a wide range of other platforms, from CRM systems to email marketing tools, ensuring your business data stays connected across the board. No more silos, everything works together seamlessly, giving you a holistic view of your operations. A feature that deserves special mention is TheraPulse's predictive analytics. This tool doesn't just look at what's happening now, it predicts future trends based on your data. By analyzing past behavior and external variables, it can give you foresight into what's likely to happen next. Whether it's customer churn, sales spikes, or operational bottlenecks, TheraPulse helps you stay one step ahead of the curve. Now, I know you're probably wondering if it's right for your business. Here's the thing. No matter the size of your operation, TheraPulse AI can scale with you. Whether you're just starting or already managing a large team, the software's flexibility allows it to adjust to your needs. The more data you feed it, the more valuable the insights become, making it a long-term solution as your business grows. Finally, if you're still on the fence about TheraPulse AI, I recommend you give it a try yourself. You can start using it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Test it out, see how it works for you, and experience firsthand why so many businesses are adopting it to stay ahead. As a digital marketing expert who has tested thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my top recommendations. If you're looking for something that can really drive results, check out the AI software options I've linked below. Each one offers a unique advantage, and I've made sure to include only the best for you. In conclusion, TheraPulse AI could very well be the best AI software you've been waiting for. Its adaptability, real-time analytics, ease of use, and predictive capabilities make it a standout in the crowded AI space. If you're looking to optimize your business processes, this tool could be the perfect fit.